It'll be better than my camera. Get down and look down here, guys.
Yeah.
Yeah, the camera's got to go right next to
Okay, here you go.
There
guys.
you go. Awesome. Much definitely a better picture than my.
Look at it! Oh my gosh!
See, we told you. Beep, 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 beep.
It's a lot of work to hatch out of an egg.
Beep, 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 beep.
Do you think the mama's coming to it?
Eventually.
You think? I guess if the eggs
Oh my gosh, mommy!
What?
Did you see that?
Yeah.
Look, it's coming.
Beep, 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 beep.
We had a pigeon's nest over on our fence over there,
Beep,
and
beep, beep, beep.
Duncan tried to take the egg,
And put it in his
and he
pocket.
stuck it in his pocket to try to bring it inside.
Oh!
Oh!
Beep, beep.
And of course, you know what happened there.
Yeah.
It wasn't. Yeah. He started crying because his pocket got all wet. Oh, it was.
Beep, 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 beep.
Come around here,
Hey,
Dunk.
you can see.
Beep, beep.
There's room in here. You can watch from under here.
Oh my gosh, it's coming out! Oh my gosh!
Look at that. Oh, so close, so
Oh,
close.
you got it, buddy.
You got it. Beep, beep.
Can you see, Dunk?
Beep, 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 beep. Little beak.
Where?
See the beak? Right there. See it? Wiggle. Beep, 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 beep. Come on, baby boy.
Oh, it's about to come out.
He's trying.
That mama, does she still have to set on him after they come out?
Get off, Colton.
Stay down.
Hey, don't pull that down, Lloyd.
Beep, 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 beep. Hey! Oh my gosh, mommy! Mommy, coming in! Oh, it's out! Oh, it's out! Beep, beep,
Ooh, look at that.
Oh my gosh!
beep, 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 beep. I wish we could move the shell. Beep, beep.
No, it's
No,
easier to see
Duncan.
down here. Colton don't need
The
to be up
video's
there. Oh
pretty
my
big.
gosh! Oh!
It's out! It's
Hey!
out! Beep, 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 beep. You should show Lucy or Bailey.
Oh.
Show them the video.
You're gonna open its eyes?
Beep, it did. Beep, 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 beep.
No, they don't. They aren't able to see.
Go
from
for
there.
They aren't.
Beep. Look, it's
Kinda
opening
like
its
kittens.
mouth. It eats food.
Oh yeah! Oh, ain't he cute, kinda?
Beep, beep. Come on, baby bird. Beep, beep,
It's
beep.
a lot of work.
I see it.
Yeah, he's probably tired.
Beep.
Ouch. Stay down.
That's pretty
I
cool.
wish we could move the egg.
Nope.
Mommy,
Can't touch it.
I'm tying my head up.
These are the ones that I. Then don't look. These are the ones that I picked up and put in here yesterday. You think the mama will feed them?
Maybe. If they start cheeping at her, they
Oh
will.
yeah, that's true.
Did you put them in there? Beep, beep, cheep, 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 cheep.
Aw.
We told you, Mom.
Yeah, I know. Good thing we decided to put him back in here, huh?
Cheep, cheep. See, they're still.
That was so cool. Oh, look at him. Look at him. He's getting it. Oh. Oh, look at his little old weed.
Cheep, cheep, cheep.
Look at his little claw. He's like, oh, isn't he cute? He's really ugly, really. It's really cool.
We got this on video. Show Lucy and Bailey.
Uh-huh.
I mean, just show Lucy because she's the only one too.
Stay down.
Bailey.
Stay down.
Bailey's here? Stay down, he said. Come on, baby buddy.
It's like, dang.
Beep, beep. See it inside the nest.
When he's
When
done,
we get
it's-
ready to,
the iPad is a much better viewing platform than trying to just look down over the nest.
Over like.
Yeah. This is a
That's
much
so
better
cool.
view. And actually bigger than real life. So
I know. He's so cute, little thing.
What is
Hey, the girls aren't here.
What?
Mm-mm.
When they get back, show them.
Yeah.
Show them. video.
Let's see if he gets out of the rest of that egg.
Come on, baby bird. Beep, chip, 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 chip. Let's see what it looks like in real life. Chip, chip,
You're gonna fall.
I want you to hold on to me.
I can't. I'm holding the iPad.
Here, one.
No. Look, he's gonna get it off his head. He's moving his little head.
Hey! Don't wiggle. You're gonna make me fall.
Yeah, you're gonna fall and hurt the bird. Get down off of there. We should get out of the rest of the way. I want to see it when it's out of that shell.
Wait, get down. Me too. Me too.
When's it gonna start chirping?
Hey!
Hey, get down.
Quiet! Why is the baby bird's trying to get out?
Oh, gosh.
He tickled me and it almost made me fall.
Oh, you're not gonna fall.
Now you
Hey! Hey, boys, stop slapping each other.
Karate isn't that.
Yeah, and they said it karate, remember? Hey!
We got 60 fights. What is 60 fights?
Hey, what's that black? Is that like a vein, or I wonder if it's
It's part of its wing.
a feather?
It's
The
part
edge
of
of
its
its
wing.
wing.
Ooh.
I want to see.
That's the best view you got is right here looking at that pad. What?
Cody, get down.
I can see it in real life.
This is real
As
life
long as
too.
everyone's back here.
Okay. I'm
Fine.
Hey, Duncan. It's like orange.
It's like it thinks it's out now or something.
Yeah.
What? Can I go?
Mostly it is.
I can
Yeah.
hold it. Woohoo!
It's gotta be cold. Ooh.
No, I can
Poor thing, it ain't got no.
do it. Daddy!
Mama.
We can eat it.
These are the ones that have probably had their nest under your deck for several years.
Oh, yeah. Weird. It's not moving anymore. Oh, yeah, it is. What if that other one's getting ready to hatch?
Should be a day or two yet. Usually they go every day or every other day as far as hatching schedules.
Oh.
They're all jumping on the trampoline. How come you're the only girl, Mama?
Because that's just how it is.
That's bad.
Weird. Man, my arm is tired.
Digital. Wow. When did they put that up there?
I got no idea.
Never even seen it. Ours still has the
Is
spinning
this the
dial.
gas?
No, it's electric.
That's what my other house has, is the spinning dials. Is he done or what?
For now.
That was pretty cool.